Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the world around us, and here are some of the top AI news stories for this week. Google AI's Bard language model has been shown to be capable of writing human-quality articles, poems, and code in just seconds. This could have a major impact on the future of work, as AI becomes capable of automating many tasks that are currently performed by humans. Researchers at the University of Glasgow have developed an AI system that can crack passwords from thermal images in just 30 seconds. This system could be used to improve the security of smartphones and other devices, but it also raises concerns about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. YouTube has introduced non-skippable 30-second ads for connected TVs.
When life is chaotic, every meal can feel like a struggle. But whether I'm flat out with the kids or work, this lunch covers all bases. I can't think of a single ingredient that's as fast or as flexible as eggs. And I love mushrooms because I quite like that meaty texture. And these rolls with fresh mushrooms are a total